All right, guys, wanted to cover my favorite thing about the CONFAST male hurricane anchor kit. And I think it's just the vibe of being prepared. Now, I will say these are very high quality. There's the screw right there. You have the threading on this side, the other threading on this side. And then we've got that rubberized end stopper here that you can apply to it. And then here you have the actual, the like kind of like nut or, yeah, the screw part. And then we also have this tool as well. So these are very high quality. They came highly reviewed, and pretty much everyone's buying this specific brand on Amazon. So I bought it just so I could get a read on it. The fact that you get 25 of these, they're very sturdy, and I think the value is incredible. Things are getting crazier. They're not like the hurricanes are going to be coming. They're going to be more intense, and they're going to be coming more often. If you live in areas with hurricanes, even if you live in areas that previously were outside of that hurricane radius, but it's near, you need to be prepared because these things are going to be coming. I think CONFAST has done a great job, and I highly recommend these for you.